Hi guys, this is Lars Pearson here with MarineMax in Ship Bottom, New Jersey, sitting on the brand new Aviara 32 we have here. I'm on the swim platform. As you can see, great space to walk around these engines while you're out, hanging out, anchored up. We're just getting on and off the boat. This boat's equipped with Mercury 300s. You can see back here, this boat's built for entertaining. So you have a nice lounge seating here. This actually pulls up so you can create a nice seat back. And then a cool feature that Aviara does is have these stadium seats that pop up. So when you're out anchored up, people are swimming and all that, you're sitting down and everyone can still enjoy the conversation. You have storage under here, and what's nice where they put the battery switches is right where you'd enter on the boat in here. And then you can store lines in there. There's also the same kind of storage underneath both these. Now on this outboard boat, where your engines would normally be, you have a ton of storage. So any water toys you want to bring out with you, you're going to have them stored there. Now as I walk through this transom walkthrough, underneath me, I'll open up here, is an excellent spot to store your fenders. They have built-in fender storage in here for 4 fenders. This way, if you're tying up next to people or a bulkhead, you have a dedicated place to put those. Now as I'm walking underneath, you can see this boat does have a ton of shade. 2 reasons. One, the fiberglass hardtop is expansive, and you also get this extendable shade right here. So this will actually retract back in when you don't want that out and you want get a little more sun. Here in the cockpit, you have nice L-shaped lounges. There's storage under these. Dedicated fire extinguisher under this one. And you have a great spot for a removable cooler. There's actually 2 on this boat. The other one will be right under here in a slide out drawer. Again, guys, great for entertaining with a big group of people. Storage under here as well in the galley area. Great place to throw some ice. And you have a trash can right here. Now as I move forward, I'll also make note of the second trash can on this boat, which you could never really have too many trash cans on a boat. Great thought by them. Now up here at the helm, you have your SIMRAD display. We'll do your charts, depth, all that, and then your engine gauges are all integrated and built in. This one is a dedicated one for your engine gauges. This boat does come equipped with Mercury joystick piloting. Makes it a breeze at the dock, especially on windy days, pulling up the bulkheads. Now this screen here does all your controls for the boat. So it's all integrated. Your lighting, your sound system will all be controlled through this screen. At the helm, it is double wide, and you have flip-up bolsters. So you can sit with 2 people here, enjoying the day, cruising out along the bay. Now before I walk up into the bow here, I'll point out just how large this headspace is for a 32-foot boat. So you can see down in there you got a sink. You actually have some cabinetry, which is nice, so you could put toiletries and all that down there, and it's got a dedicated place to be. I'll point out, as I'm walking towards the bow, this nice large windshield. We were out today. It's a pretty windy day here in Ship Bottom in March, and this thing really kept us protected between this windshield that closes and your wind door here. So we're still nice and warm while we're cruising. The side walkthrough gives you great access, which provides the large head, and then you also have a nice semicircle seating up here. So you can sit a couple people enjoying the day. There's actually stereo controls here. You'll notice too, by your stereo controls, all the speaker grills. A nice integrated system here that Aviara does. Grab handles. Pay attention to their aluminum work, their aluminum grills. They have aluminum pop-up cleats, custom Aviara branded. Up here in the bow too, you'll notice too, as I lift this up, also their latches. They have a Lumar windlass system up here. This boat is with their gray interior, and it has a nice light gray exterior that also is gel coated into the interior with black accents. So it's a really good color scheme on this boat. Looks really beautiful out there when you're out on the water. Hey guys, this is Lars Pearson showing you through this Aviara 32 that we have here, outboard boat at Ship Bottom, New Jersey. If you're interested in this boat, please give us a call, 609-494-2102. Have a good day.